Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, just to give you this update about some outgoings after Chelsea signing Liam Delap, after Chelsea signing the best striker in the world, João Pedro, after Chelsea signing Jamie Gittins. Now, Chelsea is about to work on outgoings. And let's start with Carney Chukwuemeka. And before we go there, guys, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm. This is the information, guys. Understand, Chelsea are still closing doors to loan exit for Carney Chukwuemeka. Borussia Dortmund has been in talks for weeks over loan, but no green light from Chelsea. Chelsea want permanent exit or no way, as Borussia Dortmund also consider more options for new midfielder. In fact, I don't understand some of these German clubs. I don't know why. Look at the performance, the football Carney is delivering there, and they don't want to pay money to come and sign. They want another loan, and Chelsea said no way. They have to sign him permanent. And indeed, currently our midfield is overpacked. Carney coming back to Chelsea, where is he going to play? He can't get a position to play. So Dortmund, the guy is doing well for you. Bring the 40 million or the 35 million and take one of the best midfielders, guys. Now, Dortmund want loan again. Since the Club World Cup started, that time they came and Chelsea said, no, we are not letting him leave on loan again. We have to sell him or want to sell him and balance our book. Now they are coming back with a loan. I don't know. You see those Italian clubs, some of, let me say even all. Because, Charlie, anytime that you want to sign their player, come on, look at the number of years. 1,000 years we use and sign Jamie Gittins from Dortmund. Now you want our good player as Carney Chukwuemeka. You want to take him on loan again. How? Come and pay the money. Borussia Dortmund. Look at over the years the money you are making. Selling Bellingham, selling who. You are making money. Currently you sell Gittins. Bring the 30. How much do you even pay for Gittins? Almost closer to 60 million. At least 35 million. Remove 35 million from the 60 million we pay you and come and sign Carney Chukwuemeka. Guys, that is the latest for Carney Chukwuemeka. Dortmund, they are coming back for loan. And Chelsea said, no, not on loan again. Let me hear from you under the comment section about this transfer, guys. And let's come to Marc Guiu. Yes, my Marc Guiu, the pressure Marc Guiu. Yes, this guy, in the future, I'm seeing him become one of the best strikers. Yes, I like his profile, Marc Guiu. The way he approaches his games, the way he plays his games. And information came that Chelsea want Marc Guiu to leave on loan, but some teams came for permanent transfers. Yes, and Chelsea said, no. We want to loan him out. But Chelsea want the loan to even be in the Premier League. So if any team come for Marc Guiu and that team is outside the Premier League, possibly Chelsea may not loan him out. Possible. Chelsea may not let him leave. So Chelsea want Marc Guiu to stay in the Premier League, and that is good for him to play and get the Premier League experience and get the Premier League intensity. It means that he's part of the project. Yes, it means that Chelsea can still see him maybe playing for the senior squad. Yes, being maybe one of our strikers in the future. Let's say even next season or the following season. Next season is the season coming. Next 2 seasons. So when he play in the Premier League, being as a striker, yes, he can then understand the Premier League well. The following season, we can call him back. So I think that will be a good decision from Chelsea. So guys, that is the latest information from Marc Guiu also. Let me hear from you under the comment section. And our best defender in the world, Axel Disasi. My best defender, your best defender, the defender every Chelsea fan cherish and love. Axel Disasi is about to leave. This is the information, guys. Villarreal are set to submit a loan bid for Chelsea centre-back Axel Disasi. Villarreal is expected to make a loan offer for Axel Disasi today and begin negotiation with Chelsea. Yes. Villarreal, welcome. At least Chelsea will call for, let me see, at least 30 million or 25 million. And the same, okay, Villarreal is Spanish club. I think for them, they can pay. Yes, maybe they have the money. And Chelsea signing Disasi. Some fans are saying that it is the worst signing ever in Chelsea history. I don't know whether it is true or not, guys. Let me hear from you. I think things didn't work. And for me, Disasi, let me say, can we say he flopped? Is Disasi a flop in Chelsea? Okay, let's say Disasi not making it in Chelsea. I will portion some of the blame to Enzo Maresca. Guys, I'm telling you. Enzo Maresca was playing this guy out of position. Whilst he was making those errors, he was playing him at the left back position. And Disasi is center back player. He is not leg back player. Yes. When he came to Chelsea, he had one good game against Liverpool. Yes, he was winning aerial duels all day in that game, even ahead of Van Dijk and co. That game, I can't forget about it. That game, yes, he played very well. So, as I said, I'm pushing some of the blame to Enzo Maresca for playing him out of position. The same way he did with Gusto. When the season began, he was playing Gusto at the left back position, sometimes at the right back position, whilst benching regimes, and that confused Gusto. Until now, Gusto seems like recovering. I'm telling you. So, Disasi not making it in Chelsea, as I said, I will portion some of the blame to Enzo Maresca. But to him also, as a player coming to Chelsea, you have to prove yourself. I'm telling you, because this is the highest level competition everywhere. As a player, when you come to Chelsea, you have to take it upon yourself that yes, you are going to do everything to perform. So guys, Villarreal is about to take Axel Disasi and another loan. You see, that is the issue. We want to sell Disasi. Please, Villarreal, pay fee, permanent fee, and take Disasi away. He's one of the best centre backs in the Premier League. Yes, another loan. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about Axel Disasi leaving Chelsea. Yes, and let's come to Veiga to Atletico Madrid, whether the deal is progressing or not. This is it, guys. Atletico Madrid and Chelsea start club-to-club talks today for Veiga. Renato said yes to Atletico Madrid, and first bar will follow, while Chelsea will insist on 40 million package. So, guys, that is the information. Earlier information came that Veiga said yes to Atletico Madrid. Now, club-to-club talks are happening between Chelsea and Atletico. And Chelsea want 40 million package for Veiga. That is good. That is good. That 40 million is attractive. It's okay. So now, it is looking like it will happen. It will be possible. Veiga going to Atletico Madrid. Yes. And I said in one of my videos that for me, I want a backup for Cucurella. And here's the case. Veiga want to come and be starting and be playing regularly, and it can't happen. No. Because if Veiga is going to play, he must play as a center back. That means benching, let me say, benching Liverpool, Tosun, or let's say Chalobah. And as a DM, he must bench Caicedo. And now Esugo is there. Now Santos is there. And the left back position, that's where he can play. But here's the case, he can bench Cucurella. So Veiga even stay in Chelsea, he will be a backup, which he doesn't want. So guys, Veiga to Atletico Madrid is possible. It is happening. And our Raheem Sterling, the dribbler, Raheem Sterling is also leaving Chelsea. And for Raheem Sterling, information came that a name club, yes, in the Premier League and Europe, yes, they are calling for Sterling, and Chelsea value him 20 million. If any team come to sign Sterling, Chelsea value him 20 million, or Chelsea will sell him 20 million. And I heard even Champions League teams are coming. And we don't know that Champions League team. And United is not playing Champions League. Eh? Okay, Arsenal is there, Newcastle is there, Aston Villa is there. I thought United is going to play Champions League next season. And maybe outside England, yes, teams are coming. I heard by Leverkusen, they are also coming for Raheem Sterling. And in fact, we have to sell him. We have to sell him. Because the wages Sterling is earning, Charlie, it's not small. I think currently he is earning the highest wages in Chelsea. So indeed, Chelsea have to do everything that they can do to let him go. Even if any team bring 15 million, Chelsea should take, so that the wage bill will be free. Yes. So guys, teams are calling for Raheem Sterling, and Chelsea is selling him 20 million. Let me hear from you under the comment section about this. Yes, Sterling deserves that value. Yes, because Charlie, I don't see anyhow we can maintain Sterling. No, we can't keep him. He must go. And another information for Kiernan Dewsbury-Hall, Enzo Maresca son. Yes, West Ham come calling for Kiernan Dewsbury-Hall, and they want him on loan. For loans here, no. Even Chelsea selling Kiernan, for me, I will not accept it. Like, I like those kind of players who understood who they are as a footballer. Kiernan is not complaining. Whether he is starting or not, he is not complaining because he understood himself and the players he's playing alongside with. That midfield position, Kiernan cannot bench anybody. Maybe next season if he pick form. And I don't see it even coming because Kiernan can bench Caicedo. My respect to Kiernan, yes, he's a good player. But actually, in football, players, they have levels and standard. Kiernan cannot bench Caicedo. Kiernan cannot bench Enzo and even Lavia. So that is why I said I like him, the way he understood himself. So anytime that Maresca give Kiernan the chance, he go and perform. Yes, prove himself. And even recently, Maresca is playing some football, game management football. Anytime that we win, let me say 2 to 3 goals, Maresca will try to manage the game. You will see Chelsea not more attacking. There he will bring Kiernan and co to stabilize the game. Yes, to choke in the midfield. And that is good. So Kiernan is now important, crucial player for us. And football, see, at this level, every team is good. And that is why for football, for me, I call football everyday game. In football, every day is a new day. You beating team A doesn't mean that the next match or the next game you are beating him again because you beat him earlier. No, no, no. So I like the way Emmanuel Maresca is now managing our games. Yes, if you beat an opponent at least 2-0 or 3-0 and you can manage the game till 90 minutes. Football play 90 minutes and not 24 hours. No, 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 no. When the 90 minutes is up and you are winning, you send your win home. You send your 3 points home. So now I like the way Emmanuel Maresca is now managing our game. Yes, look at against PSG. We score all our goals during the first half. And the second half, we managed the game. You could saw that we were no more attacking deep like, yes, the first half. Yes, that is football. If you get the 3 points, if you get the win, don't throw it away. Don't throw it away. So recently, Enzo Maresca is using Kiernan and Co to be managing our games. So that is why I said now Kiernan is important players for us, crucial players for us, and I don't see Chelsea selling him. By the way, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about Chelsea selling Kiernan Dewsbury-Hall. West Ham want him on loan. And Renato, this one incoming transfer, Chelsea is still monitoring him. Yes, Ajax centre back. He is 19 years of age, Netherlands international. And yes, we must get a centre back. Yes, especially as we are selling most of our centre back. Disasi didn't live to expectation. Veiga is also going. So guys, indeed, we need a centre back. But some of us, we wanted experienced centre back. And now we have to understand our team. We have to understand our project. There's no way. Unless you are coming with lower wages like Tozer and Co. They will sign you. But the likes of Marc Guiu and Co. coming, or the expectation is high. They want to take higher wages. No. So that is why Chelsea is going for this young 19 years. And he's not a bad player, but just that he is young. This is the Premier League, inexperience. If you come to the Premier League, you have to adapt. And this is Chelsea. There's no time for adaptation. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about all these outgoings and the incomings we'll discuss, yes, in this video. Yes, your opinion, your thought about those signing and those selling. And I gave you another video about, yes, Nicolas Jackson latest transfer, and about Xavi Simon, about Chelsea to sell Chalobah. Arsenal completed the signing of Victor Gyökeres. I discussed, I analyzed a lot of things there. Please, here's the video. Click to enjoy them. And don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more football fans on the YouTube algorithm. Take care. Peace.